to our new channel, Back to Nature. In our first video, we would like to explain to you what we're all about.
Back to Nature is all about getting outside and exploring what we have on our doorstep and making the most of it.
I always hear people saying that they don't make the most of the great things and places around them, and we are all guilty of this. So it's phone down, screens off, and get out there and have some fun.
We are very fortunate to have the Norfolk Broads and beautiful beaches all on our doorstep, and we are going to show you how you can make the most of it.
In the videos to come, we will cover wild or open water swimming, kayaking, exploring, hiking, and so much more. All while teaching you the safe way to have fun outdoors and the equipment you may need to make the most of it.
Starting off in the beautiful nature reserve in Winterton, we explore the sandy dunes and clear and quite salty sea, where we were lucky enough to spot some seals and a great show from our local surfer, which we would like to share with you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!